Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we are going to learn exercise of the poem and the name of the poem is Break, Break, Break. Understanding the poem, first question is who is the poet addressing in the first stanza? The answer of this question is the poet is addressing the sea in the first stanza. Why cannot the poet say what is in his mind? The poet doesn't have words that can describe his thoughts. What does the poet wish for in the third stanza? In the third stanza, the poet wishes to hold the hand of someone dear who is gone and hear the voice that is not there anymore. Who in the poem is having a pleasant time? The fisherman's son and daughter and the sailor's son are having a good time. Is the poem is happy one or a sad one? Give reasons for your answer. I think the poem is sad because the poet is missing his friend. We can see this in his wishes expressed in stanza 3. Oh, for the touch of his vanished hand. Why do you think the poet uses the sea and the waves especially to contrast with the feelings that he has? The tides of the sea are continuous, so are his feelings of loss. Both keep coming, rising and falling. Waves are strong and overwhelming as feelings can be. Next question is answer the following questions with reference to context. And I would that my tongue could utter the thoughts that arise in me. What does and I would mean? It means I wish. What thoughts does the poet wish to utter? The poet wishes to utter the thoughts that arise in him. Who does the poet mention after this and why? The poet looks at two boys with envy who can still enjoy the simple pleasures of life like playing and singing. He does that because he himself cannot enjoy this thing. Next part is working with words. Write a meaning for each word in the following pairs. यहाँ पे हमारे पास words के pairs हैं, इनके हमने meanings बताने हैं. जैसे सबसे पहले हमारे पास word है write. Write का मतलब है लिखना. Write spell में थोड़ी सी changing है, इसका मतलब है दायां और दुरुस्त. स्टील STEAL स्टील चोरी करना. STEEL स्टील फौलाद. WAIT वेट इंतज़ार करना. वेट वज़न करना. होल गड़ा या सुराख. होल मुकम्मल या पूरा. पीस अमन या सुकून. पीस टुकड़ा. फीट पाँव. फीट कारनामा या काम. राइट टू मीनिंग्स फॉर ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग्स. यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो वर्ड्स हैं इनके हमने टू मीनिंग्स लिखने हैं. सबसे पहला वर्ड हमारे पास है ब्रेक. सेपरेट इनटू इंटरवल. तोड़ना या वक्फा. अटर टोटल. से समथिंग. मुकम्मल या कहना. प्ले टेक पार्ट इन अ गेम और इंजॉयबल एक्टिविटी. खेलना या खेल. बे कर्व्ड अ लॉट ऑफ सी. होल खाड़ी या होंकना. टेंडर फिजिकली पेनफुल या सॉफ्ट दुखता हुआ या नर्म. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक हमारे पास फ्रेजेस आर इन क्लॉसेस. व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ फ्रेज और अ क्लॉज? A phrase is a group of words without a finite verb in it, or a clause has a finite verb. Which of the following are phrases and which are clauses? A few bananas phrase, as they came into the room clause, jumping from the tree phrase, waiting to see phrase, the egg which was stolen clause, as he stopped talking clause, a rainy day phrase, when she saw her father clause, eating 10 apples phrase, the letter I received clause. Composition: write in your own words and in prose what the poet is saying in the poem. This is called uh, press paraphrasing. You can begin like this: Oh, see, your waves keep breaking over the cold grey stones on the shore. I wish I was able to. Oh, see, your waves keep breaking over the cold grey stones on the shore. I wish I was able to express my thoughts. The fisherman's boy is lucky that he is playing with his sister and shouting. The sailor's boy is lucky that he is having a chance to sing in his boat. The ships are also fortunate that they are sailing to their harbors. How sorrowful it appears to me that I am not looking at my friend and hearing his voice. O sea, break your waves on the rocks of shores. I doesn't mean anything to you that I am not going to have that blessed company of my friend again.